So today I want to do a little bit of a refresh on my hair topper. This is the new upgrade Courtney hair topper from UniWigs, which has quickly become one of my favorite pieces, and I've been wearing it quite a bit. You know, it could use a little bit of a refresh. So I'm going to go ahead today and do a wash and a deep condition and a blow dry. I want to show you how I take this topper from looking a little dingy, dirty, dry to looking refreshed and revitalized and brand new. So this is the before. The lace especially could use some cleaning at the part line. So keep this in mind. This is the before, and I'll take it off here and show you what we're working with. I'm gonna do a refresh on the scar tape that I have in the part line. That piece is losing its stickiness. Obviously the lace is very sheer when it's clean, but as it gets dirtier, it's gonna be a little less sheer. And then just like some frizziness that needs addressed. Make sure you're getting the lace. I gotta clean all that makeup out of there. And next we're gonna do conditioner. I like to be pretty generous with it. I'm a fan. Concentrate on the ends for the conditioner. Lay on a towel here in my bathroom for a bit. Okay, so we have our topper all washed and conditioned. And I'm gonna take a wide tooth comb and just gently comb it out first. And I like to part my hair on the left. A little messy is a little better. Okay, I wanna show you close up. See how my part line is. And I think I'll let it air dry for a little bit before I start blow drying it, just to give it less time under the heat. So yeah, this is partially air dried, and I'm gonna go ahead, do some heat protectant spray, because remember, we wanna treat our hair topper like we treat our bio hair. So heat protectant spray is a must if you're putting heat. This is just with the blow dry. And then I think I'm gonna go over it with a flat iron just to add a little bit of bend. This piece does have layers in it, so I just want the layers to stand out a little bit. Okay, so I just added just some light waves, like little bends to the hair, and then I did anything I do to my topper, I'm gonna do to my bio hair, so I matched up. And then something I like to do is use a little bit of a hair oil. I just am gonna take a little drop, mainly to the ends, just kind of comb, it's on the palm of my hand here, just to give it a little extra shine. Do a little piece of scar tape under the part line, which I had removed before I did the washing of it, obviously, and then we needed to replace that every once in a while. It loses its stickiness. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay this in under where I have it parted. I don't put the scar tape exactly to the front of the lace, because I want that lace on the very front edge to lay incredibly flat from the edge, to give this lace a little tiny space that it can just melt into your scalp and kind of blend a lot nicer. Go ahead and reinstall the halo wire. I already have the loops, obviously, so it's just better to pull it down a little bit further like this, just to give it a little more room to move and kind of lay properly against your scalp, so it's not like digging into your scalp. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on and get it blended with my hair and show you the final after product of the refresh on my upgrade Courtney low density lace front version from UniWigs. We're back to our original location. I wanted to give a fair shot at the before and after so that the lighting was more similar, and this is the after of my refresh of my hair topper. Freshly washed and styled. It's looking beautiful. Feels really soft and fresh and clean. It's just like a nice feeling, like kind of just like how you feel when you wash your bio hair, just that freshly washed hair feeling. I'm gonna show you the back. So that was my little spa day for my upgrade Courtney low density version from UniWigs.